This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great this Monday morning. In this video I want to talk about my analysis for gold so far, and what's been happening since the open of the market. So as usual, I'll start with the weekly time frame, and as you can see, this week so far, price has moved in the bullish direction, the upward direction, and it's now within this trend line area. And what we're expecting is that price to break above this area and then close or bounce off this area to the downside. Now on this time frame, hopefully by the end of the week, if price breaks and closes above this area at the end of the week, of course, definitely we expect price to continue to the upside. And if the opposite happens, then we expect price to continue to the downside. But so far today, we've seen the bearish move. It's hit our target of about 350 pips, which is what we're expecting price to get to this resistance area, as well as this trend line area as well. So that's where we are today, as you can see from that bullish candle there. So far, what we've seen is price just around this area here. Yes, it's broken this resistance area, but it's still within this trend line here. So we're still in an indecision phase for now, and we're still waiting to see how price reacts. Now what is forming here now is a bullish pin, but it's not a very long wick, but there's still a wick as well and a small body. If this bearish pin bar closes like this on the 4-hour time frame, we have about 2 hours left for it to close, so anything can happen within that period. But if it closes like this, then we should be expecting price to really bounce off it to the downside, or you can end up waiting for the next candle to form. And if the next 4-hour candle to form is bearish, it may give us that evening star pattern, which is like a bullish candlestick followed by a pin bar candle, then a bearish candlestick. That's an evening star. So we can wait for that to form before deciding to even trade gold that's in the long term as a swing trader. So that is what we're looking at. On the other hand, this 4-hour candle can easily close above this trend line as well and continue the up move. So if that happens, then we'll just take our buy trade to the upside. But now we need to be patient, not to rush into any trade, because whatever trade happens now on gold, it's going to be a major move. So rather than trying to trade every day, rather than trying to quickly enter the trade, as a swing trader, you should be patient and wait for your candlestick confirmation pattern before you rush into the trade. Now, if we go to smaller time frames, say the 1-hour time frame, for example, we can see that there's this engulfing candle that has formed there, this bullish or this bearish engulfing candle. So you can't take that as a buy signal, but that would mostly be if you're a day trader and you're just looking to take a short trade from the market. And the reason why you can buy is that has happened at this area here. Okay, so if you look at this area, you can see that it's been tested previously here, and you can see the rejections of it there. You can see the rejection here as well, several rejections here previously, and the price has gone there to not only just reject off it, but form a bullish engulfing candle on the rejection. So this is an indication that price could continue to the downside. It may continue maybe up to about, say, from this level down to this area here. Okay, and then there may be an up move. But like I said, if you're a day trader, then you can look to take this downward move at this moment, so it's not too late to enter at all. And if you go down to the 15 minutes time frame, it just confirms what we've seen on the 1-hour time frame. So you would have entered earlier probably on the 15 minutes time frame. But that's why I don't really like to trade 15 minutes time frame. I'm more of a 4 hour time frame kind of person. So if I'm to enter this trade, I need more confirmations. And when I take my trade, I'm not just taking it to this level, but I'm taking it all the way down um, to this level, or possibly to this level. So I'm looking at it in the long run. And if you look at the 1 hour time frame or the daily time frame, we can see that this is what we're looking for. This sort of break of the trend line down there, a retest, and then back to this level again, forming like a double bottom sort of pattern around the 1788 area, or it can even break further all the way down to the 1760 area as well. So, but that's what we are generally looking at, and we're just going to wait for confirmations if you swing trade like me. But if you're a day trader, then you can decide to enter into the trade, but make sure that you have a tight stop loss. So in this case, you could enter the trade here with this you could enter the trade here. Your stop loss just above the engulfing candle there, and your take profit just around this area here, around either the around 1:2 risk to reward ratio, I would say. So around the 1842 area, 1843 area, you can take your profit there. And that would give us about 160, 150 pips, which isn't bad at all. So you can capitalize on that trade if you want to. But I'm looking more in the long term, and I'm looking to gain about 600, 700 pips on the gold move later on, depending on what the 4 hour time frame says. So this has been my analysis for gold so far today. Hopefully, I would have enough time to drop another analysis video or just a follow-up video tomorrow as well. I hope this video has been very helpful. If it has, kindly leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing.